Today, we'll show you how to install the REESE Goose box, part number 94716 and 94720. The REESE Goose box is specifically designed for fifth wheel RV trailer owners who wish to tow with a gooseneck hitch. It replaces a traditional pin box on a fifth wheel trailer and is available in both a 16,000 pound capacity and a 20,000 pound capacity. Before beginning the installation, be sure to familiarize yourself with all the parts included in the instructions. During this installation, we'll be using the following tools. Begin the installation by removing the safety lanyard breakaway switch and original equipment manufacturer pin box from the fifth wheel trailer. Once the trailer's original pin box is removed, you will need to determine the proper bolt hole locations for mounting the REESE Goose box to the fifth wheel trailer's wing set. The height of the Goose box should be adjusted in the trailer's wing set so there is a minimum of 7 inches of clearance between the top of the truck's bed and the underside of the fifth wheel trailer. Once the proper location is determined, lift the Goose box into place, aligning its bolt holes with the mounting holes on the trailer's wings. Thread the 5/8 hex bolts and flat washers through these aligned holes. Then fasten them with the included conical washers and hex nuts. After all the hardware is in place, tighten it to 210 foot-pounds using a torque wrench. Next, we will install the safety chains. Slide a flat washer onto a 1/2 inch bolt, then slide the bolt through the last link on the chain. Thread the bolt through the bottom of the hole on the safety chain mounting lug. Slide a lock washer on top of the bolt and fasten it with a 1/2 inch nut. Once all the hardware is in place, tighten it to 110 foot-pounds using a torque wrench. Hang the safety chains on the safety chain hangers. Next, we will inflate the Goose box's airbag to provide a superior ride and smoother driving experience while traveling. Couple the trailer to the tow vehicle and retract the trailer's landing gear. Once the truck and trailer are safely hitched, add airbag to the airbag fill valve located on the driver's side of the Goose box. The Goose box is designed with an easily visible air pressure indicator to help you determine the proper amount of inflation when filling the airbag. Reattach the safety lanyard breakaway switch. This wraps up the installation for the REESE Goose box, part numbers 94716 and 94720. For more information on this and other great products from REESE, visit reeseproducts.com.